Hello everyone, welcome back to Yummy YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to install your yummy extensions on your natural hair. So today I'm going to be installing the Raw Loud Wavy clip-ins. However, we have clip-ins for every texture. We also have our Raw Loud Blowout and our Yummy version Soft Kinks. So anybody with any texture can use the clip-ins, and today I'm going to show you the easiest method to install them for the most natural look. So let's get into it. In preparation, you'll definitely want to have a rat tail comb and some clips handy. In the video, you'll notice I used about 1.5 clip-in sets. So when purchasing, we definitely recommend purchasing 2 sets so you can have enough for your full head. In the back, I'm going to start with my 5-inch clips. When doing this technique, I like to go ahead and actually pull all my hair up. And I face the clip-ins kind of the opposite way that you would normally face them. I face them like you're getting ready to install them for a ponytail. Reason being is because this is going to provide me with the best blend for the back of my hair, especially since I have a blunt cut. Now I'm parting my hair for my second clip-in row, and as you can see, it literally does not have to be perfect. Clip-ins are so user-friendly, so your part doesn't have to be perfect. That won't even show. Now I'm going in with my 8-inch clip-in set, and I'm going to clip that in. As I'm clipping, you'll notice that I'm focusing more so towards the root. That's going to allow me for the best grip. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same thing on the next few rows of my hair using my 8-inch and 9.5-inch clips. I do want to mention that with the 9.5-inch clips, when you are parting your hair, you do want to actually extend that part onto the side, so you'll curve that part right on over towards the front as well. And that's going to allow enough room for the 9.5-inch clips to fit around your hair. As I work my way towards the front of my hair, I am going to go ahead and start filling in those 3-inch clips on either side of my part. So at the very front of my hair, I do go ahead and place the clips right on my edges. This is going to basically be like a flip over method with clip-ins. So this technique is going to allow me to have the most seamless blend, especially since, again, I do have that blunt haircut. Alrighty, so my clip-ins are completely installed, and as you can see, it already looks like a beautiful blend. However, my hair is straight and the clip-ins are wavy. So now I'm gonna go ahead in with my Costa styler and style my hair to achieve beautiful soft curls.
Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. As you can tell, it literally blends seamlessly. This looks like it's my hair growing out of my scalp, which I love about clip-ins because they look so natural. So yes, I hope this helped in terms of just knowing how to style your hair, especially if you have a blunt cut, to get that seamless blend and allow for it to look the most natural. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next YouTube video.